SmartDrive gives bus and coach operators unprecedented driving performance insights and analysis, helping prevent collisions, improve safety and save fuel, expenses and lives. Our video analysis, predictive analytics and personalised performance programme helps fleet operators improve driving skills and lower operating costs. It highlights good driving skills, documents passenger issues and exonerates drivers and fleet operators when not at fault. It also aids compliance and provides a competitive edge when tendering for routes. Using an innovative open platform that integrates with other vehicle systems, SmartDrive provides a truly comprehensive view of risk. Actionable intelligence in the form of video and associated vehicle data provides consistent, objective insights into safe and unsafe driving performance, including low-speed collisions. SmartDrive safety experts visually review and analyse all video events, which are captured and uploaded in real time via the cellular network. These reviews are critical to understanding the behaviours that lead to fundamental errors. At SmartDrive, we do all the heavy lifting for you, providing a prioritised coaching workflow in an easy-to-use online portal. When collisions or passenger incidents occur, SmartDrive gives management, safety personnel and drivers a true understanding of what really happened. This helps determine cause, exonerates not-at-fault drivers, reduces liability and minimises fraud. As well as guiding constructive, non-biased feedback to professional drivers to help them operate their vehicles as safely and efficiently as possible. Passenger transport fleets using SmartDrive are seeing some great results, with significant reductions in risky driving behaviours such as unsafe following, harsh braking, speeding, driving distraction and fatigue. To find out more, visit the SmartDrive website